Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I have next to me the ABC Concept 2 Air Mini, and I'm going to talk to you guys about how to use your damper controls. You basically just have two damper controls on the mini model, which is going to be your primary and secondary. They are located at the bottom of the stove here. When you are facing the front of the stove, on the left hand side is going to be your P for your primary air, and on the right hand side is your S for your secondary. You want to have these units pulled out. All the way towards you is going to be wide open, okay? So you want to have these pulled out when you are starting your fire. It's very important that both of them get pulled out all the way towards you. Now, if you were shutting it down for a longer burn time, then you could close them both. If you close down the secondary air, you may notice that the glass might get a little bit dirty, which you can clean off later. So that would just be in the event of a longer burn time, right? So when we're talking about just the initial operation of the stove, you'll go ahead, have them both pulled out towards you, wide open. After burning the stove for a while, you can adjust the primary air, which is going to be the airflow from underneath the stove. Your secondary air control is the air wash that comes over the top of the firebox and brings the fresh air down the front to keep the glass clean. So that is going to be how you operate the stove. This particular model does require at least a 16-foot chimney on it. And if you don't have that, it can be hard to get the initial draft. Other people, with shorter chimneys, they might also try taking out the battens inside the stove to get a better draft. Or also, if you're having a hard time getting as hot of temperatures as you want inside your baking oven, then removing the battens can also get you a little bit hotter baking oven as well. I hope that this overview on how to use your damper controls on the Concept 2 Mini Air Cook Stove was helpful for you guys today. I try and cover every topic of the cook stoves to show you guys every area of the stove before you make your purchase. I do realize this is a big purchase and I want to show you guys everything. But if you guys do have any suggestions for me on video topics or questions you'd like me to answer, please be sure to just drop them in the comments. I love to see that. Also, I appreciate you guys for being here. If you enjoy these videos, just give it a quick little thumbs up and a like. Click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day.